showing us how to make AI truly useful. Welcome, Mitch Mitchem.
That'll make you look like the AI expert in the space.
What is it? This is a show. Hold on. AI today will not be AI tomorrow.
Something to AI, bring your wisdom.
Are we getting better?
You put your hands on this long enough and you'll realize
Forgotten what it means to communicate well, to set our goals, to work with each other.
it still needs your proofreading, it still needs your fixes, and it still needs your humanity.
But not to replace the human experience. So there's hope for us as a society, by the way, and that's if we turn our technology into the tool that it is supposed to be.
What if you could work faster and smarter than you ever have? We use AI all day, every day, and that's really the way we see AI. It is changing everything, not just at work, but at home and all throughout our lives.
Whatever you think is so critical today, no. That's actually not the problem.
We all belong in the future, and the future will have tools like this, but it's going to have humans like us that know how to use them effectively, and we actually enhance the human element. All right, there you have it, your roadmap to the AI landscape. One of the things we hear all the time, people say, well, we're going to wait and put it in our budget next year. I'm like, next year? Whew, I don't know where you're going to be.
Problem is, human beings, we're not preparing ourselves for what we have to become and the adaptability we have to have. And now we're out of time and we've got to learn how to adapt and evolve. And I mean now.